I was telling my wife Kelly yesterday, wow, this award really means something to me, because looking back over the past 26 years, I was able to move back to my hometown of Sumter, South Carolina, and we've transformed it into something great. Right now we have Colonial Healthcare, and we're one of the largest primary care providers in South Carolina, and we did it right there in my hometown. And I am just humbled and honored. It's nice to be noticed. I never did this for rewards. I did this for the patients. I love getting up every morning and serving the people of our hometown. We have a motto: we will see you today. And our providers strive to do same day service for our people. I also, this means so much to me because of my patients. I just have a relationship with each one of them. I feel like when I go in the room, it's showtime and you better be on your best behavior. And I'm just humbled that I get to do that and I get to practice in my hometown. So thank you for this award. It is really touching to me and I appreciate it. Imagine yourself in a hot cotton field in South Carolina in the middle of the summer. And I mean hot, like 100 degrees, 8 days in a row. You see, when I was 12, my father, Clayton Lowder Jr., made me pull weeds in that cotton field. And that's the number one reason I went into medicine. I knew there had to be something else other than farming. I'm also here tonight to honor my mom, Jenny Ariel. She has pushed me to be great and to be a leader in everything that I go into. She told me when I was little, to much is given, much is expected. She taught me how to tithe, and she taught me how to give back to my community as well. So I'm proud to be a family doctor today in honor of her, and I'm glad she's here today to share this with me. Thank you. In 2013, the Clemson football team had traveled to Atlanta to take on Auburn in the Kickoff Classic. Our coach, Dabo Sweeney, always gets a motivational speaker, and he had Evander Holyfield talk to the team that day, and he told them something I'll never forget. He said, "Boys, just because you're here in Atlanta today, you're winners, because winners travel." Winners travel. That flew all over me. I'd always had a dream to write a book, and so I wrote the words that Evander gave him that day: Winners Travel, a doctor's guide to mental, physical, and spiritual health. And the way I plan to pay it forward and give it back is that I've turned this into the Winners Travel Foundation, and we give away life-changing trips. I've spent years in those exam rooms, especially taking care of caretakers of kids with special needs, and I realized that they don't have the gift of travel. They can't just pack up and go anywhere. So last year, we sent 20 caretakers of special needs kids to the private island in the BVI for a life-changing trip. And let me tell you, it's one of the best things that I've ever done. I've also included a trip for veterans, and I want to spend the rest of my life giving back by giving away these life-changing trips. I'm so honored to have started that foundation and wrote a book for the people of my community. Thank you.